What's up, everyone? This is Rohit Sharma, and you're watching Inside Out Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to review our journey with Mr. Ravi. Actually, पीटी का पीरियड हमारा 3 महीने का था और वो अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क मिस्टर रवि सम क्वेश्चंस हियर. सो सर प्लीज बताइए.
First of all, Rohit, thank you very much.
Speak loud, sir.
This short journey of ours that taught me a lot in this period, because I have been working out from last, I don't know,
Yeah.
8-10 years. But one fine day I decided I should take someone's guidance, and meeting you, that gave me the chance of pushing myself towards hiring a personal trainer and taking your services. What makes you different from the others? The kind of spark you have, the passion you have for your job, that keeps you different from any other. I should not say that, but you are the one kind of person. I have been meeting trainers and everyone, but you are one kind of person who loves his job, and that's the most and best thing of any. Doesn't matter like what profession you are in, whether it's if you're training someone or whatever you're doing, you should like that, and that's the best part of yours. Coming to me, yes, I am very happy with this short journey of ours. When we started, I was weighing somewhere around 81 kg, and now I am around about 75 kg, and my body fat percentage is close to 9 to 10%, which is a huge achievement for me. I can see my abs visible, and this is what anyone who's training there in the gym or anywhere, that is the one thing that everyone keeps in their mind, that they should have good muscular physique with abs are visible, and I have achieved that. So this journey of ours helped me in achieving my dreams and desires, and all thanks to you, Rohit. And fortunately for him, that he is going somewhere else to pursue his career, and unfortunately for me, that today is our last day. But from my side, I would like to close this on a very positive note, that Rohit, thank you very much for training me, and my best wishes are with you.
No, just a second. So, if I ask you something, like, I want you to be very honest with me. So, what difference are you able to find now? Like techniques, what roles technique play in workout?
See, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, I have been working out. ऐसा नहीं है that I wasn't aware with the techniques and all.
Obviously.
But there are few things that we miss out sometimes, or we leave ourselves कि नहीं बस इतना ही हो गया, इसके बाद छोड़ देते हैं. But जो push जो एक ट्रेनर से मिलना चाहिए, we got that. I got that, and that is what changes everything in my body. Techniques हो गई, diet जिस तरीके से हमने डिस्कस करके, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज द ट्रस्ट दैट वी हैड फॉर ईच अदर. You were trusting me, I was trusting you. No matter what we are doing, we never doubted any of neither you nor me. So that is what it's in every relation, whether it's
it's actually a both way process. And
exactly.
If you play your responsibilities, then I have to play vice versa. Yeah. So sir, one more question, that like, what do you think about supplements? Do they play a very critical role in like muscle building or anything you call it, when it comes to muscle or your fat?
Good question. See, Rohit, supplements, अगर हम इसको हिंदी में define करें, supplements is that if you're trying to achieve something, and हमारी diet में अगर वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है, then we take that, whether it's protein or BCAA. If you're missing something, just to get that or just to fulfill that requirement, we should go for that. I'm not saying that's the only thing. If you can do that, but yes, if you're working very hard, if your intensity is very high, in that case, you have to take proteins, all the basic supplements. So in this journey of ours, I had taken only 3 main supplements. One was protein, second was BCAA, and third was creatine. Nothing else, no CLA, no XYZ, because what I believe, or what you taught me, that the best and foremost, the best thing is to, if you're looking to lose body fat and gain muscle, the best thing is that you should, go in calorie deficit. This is what we were doing. You should sleep properly. This is what we were doing. And you should enjoy working out. And that helped me. Protein, supplements, and every other thing, that's a secondary thing. And it just supplements our job. So that's what this has done.
Actually, in a short period of time, it's been just hardly 2.5 or 3 months maybe. But as people say, they might doubt on your progress. Like some of them asking me if you are on some roids or maybe some performance enhancement drugs. So what type of message you got for that kind of people, obviously?
Rohit, I would say,
Behind your back.
I mean, see, there are people and they keep saying they have their mouths, so they are free to say anything. But that's the best thing. I mean, if we'll discuss in this our journey of ours, that people, they had to think that way, that they are taking something that is not
this is kind of
exactly
compliment actually.
So that's the bestest compliment that we can a trainer can receive, or a trainee can receive, that they have achieved that. Meant that people, they have to double think on their performance. And
obviously.
we know how we have done. I mean, but the first day when I approached you, the first thing that you said, sir, you have to stop all the supplements. And I mean, I was a little worried or conscious that how can we do that. But while doing this, I mean, hardly we were going for anything else. I mean, we were taking all our what do you call the necessary nutrition from our food, chicken, eggs, paneer, and all that. And then 2 times a day I was taking proteins, and BCAA was there in my intra workout. Nothing else. And if people are saying something, thinking something, my best wishes are with them. Do that.
Yeah, and let me tell you something about Mr. Ravi. He's been totally honest with me from the very beginning we started. I know I put him on about like 1800 calories, and I don't think he's been taking a plus calories.
Anything, yeah.
Whatever I told, he's just been following everything. So actually, as I said earlier, this is just simply a two-way process. Was if I'm playing my responsibilities, then he has no choice but to play his. So on a very good note, I will finish this conversation. But I'm really proud of you, bro, and I'm really happy to have you as a client. And I'm wishing in my future that I will get more clients like you.
Thank you so much,
It was
Rohit.
very nice meeting you.
Good luck for you.
Yeah.